Hello dear students, I am Miss Gitika Bhatia. I am your class teacher from ML Khanna DAV Public School, Sector 6, Dwarka. Students, today we are going to study a very interesting lesson number 3, a funny zoo. Dear students, have you ever been to a zoo? Zoo is a short name of zoological park. It is a park where animals are kept so that people can look at them. Students, today we are going to read a very amusing lesson, a funny zoo, from the book My English Reader. A visit to a zoo is always very interesting, but it could be very dangerous if we do not behave properly at a zoo. Animals are also sensitive, like us, so we should not trouble them. So, whenever you visit a zoo, you should follow some rules and regulations. Rules to visit a zoo are: treat animals as you treat humans. We should not throw stones at them. We should not tease the animals. We should not make weird sound to irritate them. We should not go close to the cages. We should not feed the animals. I hope you all keep these rules in your mind while visiting the zoo. So, children, can you tell me the names of the animals which you see in a zoo? Bear, birds, pig, goat, lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, monkey, and many more. One day, a girl whose name was Neha went to a zoo. In the zoo, Neha saw many animals, but all of them were behaving very strange. They all were hilarious and doing funny things. So, let us see what all animals were doing. Let us now read lesson number 3, a funny zoo. Let us read the new words which you will come across in this lesson. The new words are deer, zoo, boy, tree, bear, bicycle, girl, bird, pig, car, goat, stool, lion, water, fish, cage, and happy. Now let's read the lesson. Lesson number 3, a funny zoo. Neha is in the zoo. Oh dear, says Neha. The boy is on the tree. The bear is on the bicycle. The girl is on the bird. The pig is in the car. The goat is on the stool. The lion is in the water. The fish is in the cage. Neha is happy to see the zoo. So, here in the picture, the boy is having wings and is sitting on a tree. And the bear is riding a bicycle. See, the girl is sitting on a bird and pig is driving the car. Goat is sitting on a stool and lion is swimming in water like a fish. And poor fish, she is in the cage. Neha is so happy to see all the animals. I hope you all enjoyed reading the lesson, A Funny Funny Zoo. Now, encircle the new words which we have read in this lesson. Zoo, deer, tree, bear, bicycle, girl, bird, goat, stool, lion, water, fish, cage, happy. Now, let us do some exercises based on lesson A Funny Funny Zoo. Write the names of any 4 animals you find in the lesson. The animals I found in the lesson were bear, pig, lion, and goat. Now, our question number 2 is read carefully the following sentences and mark right for the correct statement and cross for the wrong statement. Neha is in the park. No, Neha was not in the park. Neha was in the zoo. So, this sentence is wrong. The boy is on the tree. Yes, the boy is on the tree. The pig is on the stool. No, the pig is in the car. So, this sentence is also incorrect. The goat is on the bicycle. No, the goat was on the stool. So, this sentence is also incorrect. Neha is happy to see the zoo. Yes, she was very happy. The bear is in the cage. No, bear is not in the cage. Bear is on the bicycle. So, this is also incorrect. Now, match the animals with their homes. Match the animals with their homes. Lion, fish, bird, and hen. Lion lives in den. Fish lives in water. Bird lives in nest. And hen lives in coop. Now, let's move to the another question. Frame sentences of the new words from the lesson. Our first word is bicycle. A bicycle has 2 wheels. Our second word is Water. We should drink clean water. The third word is happy. I feel happy when I eat a cake. I hope you all enjoyed doing these interesting exercises from the lesson A Funny Funny Zoo. Thank you.